this piece
Oh,
from which one? Which one? Put it. Okay, just put it on top like this. Put it, How about this one?
It's never been more important to check your heart from home. With Cardio Mobile, the personal EKG.
How about this one?
Check it from home using your smartphone.
I use Cardio Mobile every day, sometimes twice a day.
Every morning I check.
Last one. What is this one?
Makes me feel
Oops, sorry.
pretty good about my heart condition.